In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Helium 10 Chrome extension. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Google, type in Chrome Web Store, and then you want to open up Chrome Web Store. This is available on the chromewebstore.google.com. Then first go ahead and click on Search Extensions and Themes and type in Helium 10. There we go, it found it already. Simply click on that and click on Add to Chrome. Click on Add Extension at the top of your screen, and then your extension will get downloaded and added to Chrome. Now, as you can see over here, automatically it's going to say access the most reliable all-in-one platform for sellers, and then you can read all about it over here. And then up here, you'll be able to see you now have the Helium 10 extension. Whenever you click on it, it's going to pop up, and in here, it's going to say either your free trial has ended, or of course, in case you have already signed in and you have a paid subscription, you'll then be able to go ahead and start using this extension over here. So that's pretty much it. That's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.